care to freshly bake the goods in the morning air, unaware of fortune blooming afar, ever ready to toil like a humble star.
What are you lot doing here? We have come to buy some lovely fresh bread straight out of the oven. You're too early. We haven't even made the dough yet. Come back in a couple of hours and you can have all the bread you want. And this time, I promise, we'll rise to the occasion. Now, where on earth are those two assistants of mine?
Here I am, Fatima, all ready to bake some lovely fresh bread.
And where's the Middle East's answer to Sylvester Stallone?
He's coming. Here, there's a packet of flour, some milk, some water, and some yeast.
What's this?
That's soap powder so we can clean up after we finished.
What a clever girl. You think of everything. I hope Ali doesn't take all day collecting that wood for the fire, or we'll never be ready when all those lovely people come back in a couple of hours. Now, where's the spoon? And open this packet of flour.
I forgot the spoon.
You forgot the spoon? Oh, look at the mess that you've made. You'll never get on the MasterChef team if you do things like that. Mustafa, bring me a spoon and another packet of flour.
Here we are.
Oh, that's such a big spoon. Are you sure you can manage it? You wouldn't like Carmen to give you a hand, would you?
No, it's all right. It's not tiring me. I would need to carry it for a full 5 minutes before it tires me out.
You poor, overworked assistant. Now go and get me something bigger before I set Carmen onto you.
Is this better?
Wow, you really are just too much. Anyway, a little more flour, I think. That's better. This is going to be a culinary masterpiece.
I thought it was going to be bread.
What can you do with him? What's happening?
It seems instead of me, the dough is having a bath. I think you added soap powder instead of flour.
Ya Khuda, did I? That's your fault, Carmen. For you know, I never falter.
Destiny's thread for Fatima unwinds. Ali arrives with the riches of all kinds. A spark of joy lights up her sphere. Life's melody sings, so pure and clear.
Hey, hey, can you see the jungle? Is it spooky in here? Yes! Oh, beware, the thieves are coming. Can you see them?
No! What's all the fuss and drama about, Ali? And hand over the wood quickly so we may begin with the task.
I found a treasure cave. Jewels, gold, and carpets with camels wearing crowns.
Ali, did you eat wild mushrooms again?
No, Ahmed said Khulja Sim Sim, and the cave opened.
Cave? Do you mean those dark and dangerous caves? Do you think Abu Hassan will leave you now? His men would already be on a hunt. Oh dear, he's done it now. What do you think we should do?
We must keep it a secret. Nobody saw me there. If they find out, they'll slice me like their morning melon.
Then let's not serve melon. Let's serve silence.
Can you help me escape?
Yes!
No, not like this. Put me down. Can you help me escape?
Yes, of course. Let's dance our way out of trouble.
comes back, a truth they discern. The wrongdoers caught, oh, how tables turn. It's amusing to watch with ironic hues as the vices themselves dare to judge others' moral views.
अरे ओ सांबा, कितना इनाम रखे हैं सरकार हम पर?
सरकार तो बिजी है इलेक्शन में, आपके बारे में तो सोच भी ना रही।
मूर्ख, डर नहीं दहशत तुम्हें दहशत।
Sardar, someone left the cave open.
What? Someone left the cave open and took our share of the loot? Taking what is not theirs? How immoral! Find out who the culprits are. They are in for a world of pain. Meanwhile, Lalchi Mal, check the status of our loot.
Let me count my share first. Can you help me count my money?
No!
Okay, let me start again. Oh no! Someone's touched my emerald stash.
हमारे अड्डे में तो चूहा भी चेहरा दिखाकर घुसता है, और आज हमारी गुफा में कोई ऐसे ही घुस गया। बड़ी हिम्मत है रे, बहुत बड़ी। यह कौन है जिसने हमारी ताकत को ललकारा है?
दूरदराज, अपने आप को चालाक समझते हो? दिमाग मेरे पास भी है, बस जाहिर नहीं करता। और तुम लालचिमल, तुझे तो बस अपने हिस्से की पड़ी रहती है।
फिलहाल इसका छोड़ो। Am I handsome?
No!
Of course I am. Maybe it was a beautiful maiden who took the jewels. है ना Bukkadraj?
Do you like dates? Snacks are the best. Did the thief take the snacks too? I'm so hungry. Dwesh, do you have something to eat?
What would you do if someone stole from you? They dare to steal from me? Dwesh, I say we burn the jungle. What say Alcivar?
Are we there yet? Can we nap instead? Irsha, just see what's happening. I want a nap for a while.
क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि वो मुझसे ज्यादा अमीर है? मजाल है कोई मुझसे ज्यादा अमीर हो।
अमीरों का तो पता नहीं, but I am the most handsome, aren't I?
No!
They call me Ahankar. By the way, I saw a suspicious man in the woods. He muttered, Kulja Sim Sim. I think it was Ali from Baghdad, that good for nothing fellow.
Ali from Baghdad, take him to task. Never let him see the light of day. Come on, everyone.
Let's show him who he has locked the horns with. I, Pratishodh, will never spare a perpetrator. Chalo, Hankar.
बिल्कुल, वो सोचता है वो हमसे तेज है, उसे नहीं पता हम उससे कहीं ज्यादा चतुर है। चलो अपना खजाना वापस ले।
अरे कुटिलेश, देखो तो ये सब कहाँ चले गए रे?
अरे सरदार, जब भी इनको मौका मिलता है ये आपकी चुगलियां करने लगते हैं।
बरखुरदार, चुगली करने वाले भी मेरे शौकीन हैं। खैर चलो सब अली के घर दावा बोलते हैं। और सुन लो, अगर अली समझता है कि वो हमसे बड़ा हो गया तो उसे कहना कि पहाड़ जब टूटता है तब बिखरता नहीं, गिर जाता है। क्योंकि मेरे इलाके में हौसला नहीं, नाम चलता है, और नाम है मेरा अबू हसन। चलो
Mirza senses a chill. Abu's crew moves unseen. Genie appears, eyes wide with a warning keen. She races to Ahmed, no time to delay. For fate demands action before break of day.
Why am I feeling so restless? Something is not right. How do I resolve all the doubts that's creeping up in my mind? Yes, how could I forget?
I was waiting for you to summon me. Marissa, quickly God's house. Their life is in danger. Don't worry, I'll handle it here.
Do lifeless things now stir and rise? Or is it just her eyes that lie? Marisa ponders what truth may dwell as oddities grow and stories swell. A sign, perhaps, of doom nearby.
Punished. That's Marisa's mission. But moral dilemma struck her, didn't let her function. She had to do something, couldn't leave in this condition, but to kill or not to kill? That was the question.
Oh, Genie, you're such a savior. They're inside those barrels. Abu Hassan's men, the ones who want to steal what we've found, to take away our hope and our future. I need to stop them. I need to do something. बस इतना ही. एक तेल से भरा मटका ऐसा हथियार है जो आग जलाकर हमारे ऊपर आए इस खतरे से हमें बचा सकता है. बस एक बार डालो और सब कुछ खत्म. One pour and it would be done. No more hiding, no more fear. But what would that make me? A killer in the night? They came to harm, yes, but am I the one who decides who lives, who dies? No, this isn't who I am. I'm not a killer. I'm more than what they've forced me to feel. No, I must find another way. I must be better than this.
Save me! I said save me! You're not leaving me here to burn! This is what loyalty is this? Traitors! All of you! All 40 of you!
Traitors? We aren't traitors. We are the voices, not empaths. We stayed for the gold, not for you. Why would I trade gold for a burnt up fool? Would you?
Oh no, Abu. You thought control meant loyalty? No, darling. I chase beauty, power, pleasure, not pain and fire. You are not what I desire anymore. What about you, Dvesh? Same here. I'm not made for saving. I burn, I break, I destroy. So no, I won't save you.
My own men left me, that too in times of adversities. Perhaps the gold meant more. They were never my brothers. They're simply the voices.
I have to call Ali Baba. Ali Baba! Ali Baba!
He came to kill me. He brought danger to my home. He tried to steal what he lost. But no man deserves to burn alone.
No! Ali, don't!
Leave my hand. I have to save him.
No, Midad!
Are you a fool? After all I tried to do, all the darkness I brought to your door, you're saving me?
Yes, because wealth is not worth a life. Not yours, not mine, not even theirs. Life and loyalty are the treasures that no gold can buy.
Perhaps it's not too late for you to change, but only if you walk away from the gold and towards something greater. True power lies in honesty and friendship, not in piles of wealth.
Then, if you let me, I want to begin again. I want to leave behind the shadows and become a man worthy of respect.
Every man who truly wants to change deserves that chance. We all do.
Whatever you do, wherever you go,
The repercussions of your actions will always show.
good over evil shall always prevail.
Make this adage your life's motto and the message of every tale.
Choose what is noble, though gain may be slight.
And life will reward you with peace and with light.
Stay humble, stay kind. Let compassion be your guide.
For covers deceive and may hide what's inside.
You will then live a life with dignity, with your head held high.
Reaching the pinnacle of success,
Aiming even beyond the sky.
कभी दरवाजे पे जो ठक हुई तो दस्तक वो शोहरत की हो कभी जो छत पे यूं ही छम छम हुई तो बारिश वो दौलत की हो जैसे होते हैं ख्याली बातों में सभी के वैसे ही बुरे अरमान हो सबका भला हो सबका सही हो अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो सबका भला हो बबलू हम तो ख्वाहिश करेंगे, हम गुजारिश करेंगे, अब तो मांगे एक दिन जरूर सारी दुनिया हो, सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो, हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो, सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो. Happy ending, happy ending. Everybody's looking for a happy ending. Happy ending, happy ending. Everybody's looking for a happy ending. Happy ending, happy ending. हर कहानी की हो happy ending.
About destinations, it is said, if you want to reach faster, walk alone. But if you want to reach further, walk with friends. Ladies and gentlemen, in presenting our program tonight, we have taken the latter path. Yes, besides ensuring an enjoyable and memorable time for you, we have showcased our outstanding artists and acquainted you with the growth and development of our institution. And this was possible only with the combined efforts of many minds and many hands. And each deserves due recognition and our shukran. As I call out the departments, kindly come up onto the stage in this order. First in line are the directors and their team of actors who made this miracle bakery experience a salam-worthy, sweet and savory one with a creme de la creme, thereby adding icing to the cake with a cherry on top, making this place resound with the words Kulja Sim Sim. Next, I invite the choreographers and their team who made even the genies and thieves dance with such panache and style that even donkeys and loaves seem to say, dance with us a while, adding all the love and happiness in the air, making us want to groove with their unique flair.
सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो, हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो, सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, सबका भला हो, सबका सही हो, अपना भी लेकिन सबसे सही हो, हमसे ना ऊपर कोई कहीं हो, सबका भला हो, सबका.
It is now the turn of the report reading team who, like the genie of the amulet, conjured up images of the young achievers and shone the spotlight on them, making this private garden one with special stars. After them, we have the art department that wove magic with their own barrels and caves and treasure chests and daggers and cupcakes and croissants and buns and loaves and pots and goblets and money pouch and the genie lamps and the bakery stand and the tiaras. Oh dear God, I have run out of breath, but they did not painstakingly making all the props that even Sanjay Leela Bhansali, or dare I say Mr. Ankit Kothari, will want to use as a set for his next film. It is now the turn of the music department for making Ali have an impact like Bahubali and for giving a tuneful touch to the whole of Baghdad, therefore giving it a happy ending that made everyone yearning for more and more and more and some more. Right after them, you'll see the costume and makeup department who painted the town, rather the characters, not just red, but all the colors, making the entire cast look their Arabian best. And the thieves look like Halloween teens,
getting us all hooked to the spectrum of magic. Coming up next will be the lights department that literally threw light on the stage, thereby making all the characters and even the wonderful, hardworking, dependable, goofy little donkey Delilah literally shine bright. And of course, our very own Polish Bhai, our cameraman, who captured all these moments ever so magically and beautifully. Multimedia department that, like wizards and witches, use their AI expertise and tech finesse to make us want to go to this address and almost compel us to say, Alexa, when's my next trip to Baghdad? For the volunteers who, like Marissa, managed to be the rock-solid support by toiling hard and lending that helping hand, bending over backwards and being there at the right place at the right time. Next are the inherent part of this magnum opus, special amulets from the genie herself for the cadets of the backstage contribution that left us all reassured and who certainly deserve their share of jewels, gold, carpets and crowns. Team that made even the voices sound so enduring that the visitors are certainly spellbound and will go home saying, अरे ओ सांभा, जरा पता करना तो ये अबू हसन कौन है, क्योंकि आज के बाद 50-50 कोस दूर जब कोई बच्चा रोएगा तो अम्मी जान कहेगी गब्बर नहीं अबू हसन आ जाएगा. Special word for our academic in charge and coordinators who, like the precious treasures of the cave, added value to the whole event by lending their special touch and expertise and helped turn this place into a select garden party. Stage now will be our Get Set Go person, our activity coordinator, who ensured that this untold story be narrated in its true spirit, keeping the essence alive, making us all want to say, just like mutual funds, Autindriya ma'am, sahi hai. Staff who ensure that no one in the school moves about yawning like Mustafa or hogging at wrong hours like Bhukadraj, and of course that we aren't lalchimals and pay our taxes on time. himself, the beacon light for us all, Mr. Ankit Kothari, who boosted the morale of the students by being here today.
Before I give the mic to our chief guest to speak, I would want Delilah to come here, the under Delilah. So this is the child that you did not see, but this is the child who did a great job, both these children. And please clap for them. You can imagine those hours of bending. You have done wonders. You are one of the heroes of the show. So now I hand over the mic to Ankit for his feedback, speech, whatever he wants to say. Ankit.
Good evening, Navrachna Vidyani. Parents, first of all, how was the performance? Tell me with a shout out. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. Awesome. Congratulations to this amazing filmy crew. I am super jealous. I am burning inside like our Abu. And I feel like a donkey like these two guys. What did I do all the 40 years I've been traveling around, working, studying, being in schools and places? And then these beautiful people come, these so-called students, bachcha party, chiller hai ye log, and they dance their way. Did they make our hearts pound? So a big round of applause to the people back there dancing, the front people, the narrators, all the students. This was our performers. Now let's, beyond the performers, talk about the people behind these performers. There are 3 people behind these performers: the volunteers, the coordinators, and the people who manage the camera, lights, the water jugs and everything. Let's clap for the people behind the performers. Beautiful. Behind the performers and the people come a very interesting sect. They are the people who set the processes. And there are the core people who set the processes, because everything of this was seamless like a film. And I can see 2 main people who set the processes: Principal ma'am and the captain of the ship. Thank you for the processes behind that. अब स्कूल तो दिन में 4 घंटे होती है, बाकी टाइम तो आप लोग को ही पढ़ाना है, 6 घंटे होती है. 1 घंटा ट्रैवल का ले लो, बाकी 7-8 घंटे सोने के ले लो. Let's talk about beyond the performers, people, processes, you, the parents. Let's clap for them. I will just end with a short note. I am truly humbled, truly inspired, because what I saw today was not a regular school. what I saw today was not just a regular natak. I came for a natak and I got an amazing Broadway experience. And I just see that each of these performers and participants, if they can just carry this emotion, अगर यही चीज़ स्कूल के आवर्स के बियॉन्ड, स्कूल लाइफ के बियॉन्ड अपने लाइफ में अगर कंटिन्यू कर सके, आपके साथ कंटिन्यू कर सके, आपके बियॉन्ड कंटिन्यू कर सके, कॉलेज में दूसरे शहरों में जाकर काम करके, तो आई वॉज जस्ट टॉकिंग विथ आवर तेजल मैम दैट इफ दिस कैन बी डन, देन इमेजिन ये ऐसी फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट, ऐसी स्कीम, ऐसा इन्वेस्टमेंट, ऐसा म्यूचुअल फंड है दैट विल कॉर्पोरेट कंपाउंड फॉर लाइफ and we will be able to create the future of our country. Thank you so much for having me here. My wife Shreya was also invited. She and I together won the national award. And I want to end with one little 60-second session on science. I'm a person who failed in science exams, not a very bright student, but over the years beyond school books, I understood the value of reading. And I want to leave you with this one thing if I can, that whatever has been achieved by me is because my wife is a voracious reader. And reading today in today's world is a superpower. Focusing today is a superpower. And there is always this idea in our heads of survival of the fittest. How many of you have heard that? कि बेटा आगे जाओगे, हॉस्टल में जाओगे, जॉब में जाओगे तब पता चलेगा. We always hear survival of the fittest. I want parents to know about this book, Biology of Belief, by Dr. Bruce Lipton. He has researched this, and now the science community talks about epigenetics. Remember this, parents, this is life-changing. Epigenetics says it is not competition, it is not survival of the fittest. A cell, a human body, grows not because of genes, but because of a better environment. And today, I see each student as a cell, and Navrachna Vidyani as the environment. So, a last clap for the whole family of Navrachna Vidyani. Thank you so much.
So well said, Ankit ji. We are humbled, we are inspired, and we will create the right cellular environment as we go further. Thank you, parents, for trusting us with your children. A big round of applause for all our children and for all our teachers.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Ankit.
I request all present to rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you everyone for being a part of this program. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz. Good night. Take very good care of yourselves and have a great weekend ahead. Signing off. Until next year.